Hey guys, we're going to talk about space colonization. Space Colonies, designing habitats for long-term space missions, explores the concept of creating self-sustaining habitats in outer space to support long-duration missions and potential colonization efforts. This ambitious endeavor involves designing and constructing artificial ecosystems capable of providing all the necessary resources for human survival and flourishing in the harsh environment of space. Facts about space colonies. Potential locations. Space colonies could be established on celestial bodies like the Moon, Mars, or even in free space, such as in Lagrange points, where gravitational forces balance spacecraft movements. Self-sufficiency. The goal of space colonies is to achieve self-sufficiency by harnessing local resources, such as extracting water from lunar or Martian ice, growing food in controlled environments, and utilizing renewable energy sources like solar power. Artificial gravity. Creating artificial gravity through spinning habitats or centrifugal force is one proposed solution to mitigate the negative health effects of long-duration space travel, such as bone density loss and muscle atrophy. Closed ecological systems. Space colonies require closed ecological systems to recycle and reuse resources continuously, including air, water, and waste. This ensures sustainability and reduces dependence on Earth for resupply missions. Psychosocial considerations. Designing space habitats necessitates careful consideration of human factors, such as maintaining mental health, privacy, and interpersonal relationships in confined spaces for extended periods. Interplanetary trade. Space colonies could potentially facilitate interplanetary trade, where resources abundant in one location could be exchanged for those lacking in another, fostering economic growth and cooperation. Advantages of space colonies. Exploration and expansion. Space colonies enable the exploration and expansion of human presence beyond Earth, pushing the boundaries of scientific knowledge and potentially opening new avenues for resource utilization and discovery. Planetary resilience. Establishing colonies on other celestial bodies serves as a form of insurance for the survival of the human species. It reduces the risks associated with having all human populations confined to a single planet. Technological advancement. Designing and building space colonies requires advancements in numerous fields, including robotics, sustainable resource management, closed-loop life support systems, and human psychology. These advancements can have broad applications and spin-off benefits for various industries on Earth. Space tourism. Successful space colonies could pave the way for space tourism, allowing individuals to experience the wonders of space firsthand, fostering public interest and engagement in space exploration. Disadvantages of space colonies. High cost. The development and construction of space colonies involves significant financial investments. The cost of transporting resources, building infrastructure, and maintaining life support systems in space remains extremely high. Technological challenges. Overcoming the technological hurdles associated with building self-sustaining habitats, artificial gravity, and closed ecological systems in space poses significant engineering and scientific challenges. Health risks. Long-duration space travel and living in microgravity or reduced gravity environments present various health risks, including bone and muscle deterioration, cardiovascular issues, and radiation exposure. Mitigating these risks is crucial, but remains a complex task. Limited habitability. Space habitats, even with advanced designs, may never fully replicate the diverse and comfortable living conditions available on Earth. Adapting to the confined and potentially harsh environments of space colonies could be psychologically and physically demanding for colonists. Note: it's important to mention that the concept of space colonies is still largely theoretical, and while significant progress has been made in space exploration, there are numerous challenges to overcome before the establishment of self-sustaining long-term space habitats becomes a reality. Thanks for watching.